I'm Scott Nellis, and we're pouring bronze in my studio. The boys have melted silicon bronze, about 100 pounds of silicon bronze. We bring it up to temperature of anywhere from 2100 to 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, Scott is about to skim the dross from the top of the melt. Any impurities in the metal will rise to the top and float, and you can skim it off that way. And so he'll clean it up, and then they'll walk down the line of molds, pouring them off. We use the silicon bronze because it's an art bronze. It's very fluid. We pour it at 2150 degrees to 2200 degrees. We pour pretty much every day. And we are using the sand casting method, which is a little unusual to make art in sand casting. Usually it's done in the lost wax method. But the lost wax method is much more labor intensive and expensive. So I have found a way to make my art using the sand casting method, where we can make multiple molds per day and make castings pretty much every day. Now, that doesn't diminish the finishing of the castings, of course. It's still going to be a lot of work. As you can see, they're pouring the molds into a sprue cup, which is preformed in the top of the mold. They're two-piece sand molds, and I have another video of making molds, so look for that. And the weights on top of the molds are to keep the molds from floating on the metal and splitting apart and having all the metal come squirting out the sides. It really kind of ruins your day when that happens. So we put a lot of weight on there. The hydrostatic pressure of molten bronze pouring into a mold is that's a lot of pressure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and watch my other videos about sand casting and mold making and sculpture. Thanks.